Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove the header and footer in Elementor. This is particularly useful when you want to create landing pages, full-screen presentations, or custom layouts where the standard site header and footer would be distracting or unnecessary. Let's start by opening your WordPress website's admin dashboard. Simply log in using your credentials to access the backend of your site. This is where you'll manage all your pages and settings, so make sure you're logged into the correct WordPress account. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate to the Pages section on the left sidebar and select All Pages. You'll see a list of all the pages on your website. Scroll through this list to find the specific page you want to edit. When you've located it, click on Edit with Elementor. This action will open up the Elementor editor interface, giving you full control over the page's design and layout. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, look toward the upper left corner of the page where you'll see a hamburger menu icon, those three horizontal lines. Click on this menu to reveal additional options. From the drop-down that appears, select Site Settings. This section houses various configuration options that affect how your pages display across your website. Within Site Settings, you'll notice several categories listed. Look for the one labeled Layout and click on it. This is where you can control the structural elements of your pages, including headers, footers, and overall page templates. The layout settings give you flexibility in determining how much of your site's default design elements appear on individual pages. Once you're in the layout section, scroll down until you find the option that says Default Page Layout. This setting controls which template your page uses. Click on the drop-down menu next to it, and from the available options, select Elementor Canvas. Choosing this template effectively removes both the header and footer from your page, giving you a completely blank canvas to work with. This is perfect for creating distraction-free content that focuses entirely on what you've designed in Elementor. After selecting Elementor Canvas, make sure to click Save Changes. This step is crucial because without saving, none of your adjustments will take effect. Give it a moment to process and save your new settings. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the header and footer from your Elementor page, giving you complete creative freedom over your layout. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.